Welcome! If you're looking to keep your workplace information private on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to hide your workplace on the Facebook app using your PC following the latest update. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have full control over who can see where you work. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile. Now, on your profile page, you'll notice several tabs. Find and click on the one labeled About. This section is where all your personal details are stored, including your work and education history. Next, look for the Work and Education section. Here, you'll see your listed workplaces. Find the workplace you want to hide. Right next to it, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon controls who can see your workplace information. Click on the audience icon. A menu will pop up with different privacy options. You'll see choices like Public, Friends, and Only Me. To keep your workplace hidden from everyone else, select Only Me. This setting ensures that only you can view your workplace details. No one else will be able to see it on your profile. Once you've selected Only Me, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your workplace information is now hidden from everyone except you. Taking these steps helps you maintain your privacy and control over your personal information on Facebook. Remember, you can always come back to this section and update your settings whenever you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.